If nobody wants to see you and your partner together, but your love is real and pure, just keep standing strong and loving each other. Because let me tell you this, true love is unstoppable. It doesn't follow rules, traditions, or care what society thinks. It doesn't care if people think you are too young, too different, or if the odds are against you. True love breaks barriers, distance, culture. Not even judgment can't hold it back. Some may call it reckless, but love that strong don't ask for permission. It challenges the world, proving that no force can destroy something so pure. True love doesn't just survive, it wins. It doesn't follow timelines or expectations. It defies family, religion, or even the law when it's real because nothing else matters. True love risks it all, raw, messy, and powerful. No matter what tries to break it apart, true love always comes back stronger. True love grows through struggle and never gives up. It's not about being perfect, but standing strong through hard times. In the end, it's always worth the fight, the risk, and the sacrifice.